Most passengers think a cruise vacation is just food, sunshine, and endless buffets. But the truth is, there are 23 cruise secrets they don't want you to know. Hidden perks, free upgrades, and even VIP access most travelers walk right past without realizing. Stick with me to the end, because number 1 could literally unlock a free champagne upgrade, and I'll reveal how to save hundreds without spending an extra dime. So hit that subscribe button if you love saving while sailing. And without wasting your time, let's get started.
23. The Sail Away Secret. When the cruise starts, most people run to the main deck, shouting, waving, and taking selfies like it's a music concert. But the smart ones quietly walk to the front observation deck. It's peaceful, calm, and you can actually hear the ocean instead of the crowd. Sometimes, if you smile and chat nicely with a crew member, you might even get a free glass of champagne. Here's the scary part. That main deck gets packed so tight that people can't even move. Avoid the chaos and start your cruise like a real VIP, relaxed and smiling.
22. The after-show snack window. After the big evening show, everyone rushes toward the bars or elevators like they're escaping a fire drill. But the clever travelers? They walk to the cafe or pizza counter instead. This is the magic hour when ships quietly serve leftover snacks, pastries, sandwiches, sometimes even fancy pizza, all free. You'd be shocked how many people miss it just because they're too busy taking selfies with the magician. Don't be that person watching others eat from your balcony. Go early, smile at the crew, and grab a secret midnight treat before it disappears forever. And speaking of comfort, if you've ever struggled with your cabin's temperature, this next trick is going to change everything.
21. The cabin temperature override. Ever walked into your cruise cabin and felt like you just entered a freezer or a sauna? Most passengers think they're stuck with the limited buttons on the wall. But here's the secret. Call maintenance and politely ask for full climate control. They'll unlock the real settings, the ones crew members use. Suddenly, you can sleep without sweating or freezing. The funny part? Most people never know this and spend nights tossing under too many blankets. And here's the scary thought. A bad night's sleep can ruin your whole trip. Comfort is the real luxury on board.
20. Free celebration decor. You don't need an actual birthday to celebrate on a cruise, just a little creativity. If you tell the staff you're celebrating something special, they often surprise you with decorations, balloons, or even free desserts. It's their way of spreading joy. Some guests walk into their cabin and find ribbons everywhere, all for free. The funny thing, others see it and wonder why no one did it for them. But here's the trick. They never asked, so don't stay quiet. A fake anniversary might just get you the sweetest dessert on the ship. Feeling special yet? Wait till you hear how some passengers get inside the Captain's Bridge itself.
19. Captain's Bridge access. Most passengers never realize that the ship's command center, the Captain's Bridge, isn't completely off limits. Some captains quietly allow small groups to visit during the cruise, but you have to ask early at guest services. Dress neatly, smile, and show real curiosity. You might get invited to see where the crew actually steers the giant ship. It's like stepping into a real-life movie scene. But here's the funny fear part. If you wait too long, the list fills fast and you'll only get to imagine it from your cabin TV. Act early or miss this once-in-a-cruise experience forever.
18. Library and game room perks. Most people walk past the ship's library thinking it's boring or outdated. Big mistake. These cozy rooms aren't just for reading. They hide board games, puzzles, and even tablets you can borrow. Some ships even let you swap your finished book for a new one. It's peaceful, air-conditioned, and perfect when you're tired of crowds. Here's the funny part. While everyone fights for pool chairs under the hot sun, you could be relaxing inside with free coffee and Wi-Fi. The only scary thing? Once you find this secret spot, you might not want to leave it again. But if you'd rather relax than read, the next secret will help you turn a regular port day into your own private spa retreat.
17. The empty port trick.
When the ship docks, everyone rushes off like it's the last day on Earth, chasing souvenirs, snacks, and selfies. But here's the smart move. Stay on board. While others sweat in crowded markets, you'll have the entire ship almost to yourself. The pools? Empty. The spa? Half price. Even the gym feels like your private fitness club. Some ships secretly drop prices up to 50% just to keep staff busy. The funny part? People come back sunburned and broke while you're relaxed and glowing. The scary part? Once you try this, you'll never enjoy crowded ports again.
16. Laundry room networking. It sounds dull, right? Doing laundry on a cruise, but that tiny laundry room hides gold. Not the shiny kind, the insider info kind. It's where old-time cruisers hang out, folding clothes and dropping priceless tips. They'll tell you about secret drink deals, best cabins, and food that's not even on the menu. Some travelers skip this and miss the best wisdom on board. The funny thing, while others pay hundreds for cruise expert guides, you can learn everything for free next to a spinning dryer. The only risk? You might come out with cleaner clothes and smarter plans. And if you think that's cool, wait until you find out what you can get delivered to your cabin in the middle of the night for free.
15. Midnight room service hack. Most passengers think ordering food after midnight means big extra charges. But surprise, on many cruise lines, there's a secret free late-night menu. Sandwiches, cookies, fruit, and sometimes even hot soup are available all night if you just ask. The trick is knowing what to request. While others go hungry after the bar closes, you can be in bed eating like royalty. The funny part? People walk miles to the 24-hour cafe, not realizing they could have ordered from bed. The scary part? Once you try it, you'll never sleep on an empty stomach again.
Number 14. Free travel essentials. Forgot your toothpaste or razor? Don't panic and don't overspend in the onboard shop. Most ships quietly keep a stash of free essentials: toothpaste, combs, sewing kits, even laundry soap. All you need to do is ask guest services or your cabin attendant politely. The funny thing? People spend $10 for a tiny bottle of shampoo, while smart cruisers get it free with a smile. The little fear? Supplies run out fast and latecomers get nothing. So if you forget something, don't wait. On a cruise ship, the early asker really does get the soap. And if you're enjoying these hidden hacks so far, make sure you subscribe right now, because we uncover cruise secrets and travel tricks every single week. Now, let's talk about one perk that brings global flavors straight to you.
13. Crew buffet tastings. Here's a secret most passengers never hear. The real flavor of a cruise isn't always in the fancy restaurants, it's in the crew cafeteria. Sometimes, if you're friendly and curious, a crew member might invite you to taste local dishes from their home country. Imagine trying authentic Filipino adobo or Indian curry made for the staff, not tourists. The funny part? It's often better than the buffet. But here's the catch. These moments don't happen if you're rude or demanding. So smile, chat kindly, and you might unlock the tastiest secret on board. Don't miss your chance. 12. Free photo retake day. You know those fancy cruise photos where everyone looks perfect except you? Don't worry, there's a secret fix. Many ships quietly offer a photo retake day if you're unhappy with your first shot. Just ask the onboard photographers and they'll happily redo it for free. The funny part? Most people never ask and end up buying awkward photos for $30. The scary part? Once printed, those pictures go straight to the display wall for everyone to see. So if your smile looks more like a sneeze, act fast. Ask for that retake before it's too late. Next up, want Wi-Fi without paying sky-high prices? This next one's genius.
11. Free Wi-Fi from port networks. Cruise Wi-Fi prices can feel like daylight robbery. Paying $25 a day just to send memes? No thanks. But here's the secret. When your ship docks, nearby cafes, terminals, and even souvenir shops often have public Wi-Fi strong enough to reach the outer decks. Stand near the rail, refresh your connection, and boom, free internet. You'll see crew members doing this all the time. The funny part, passengers beside you might still be paying for data. The only fear, once the ship sails, your signal vanishes instantly. So send those selfies fast.
Number 10. Morning Deck Coffee Secret. If you're up before sunrise, you're in for a hidden treat. Around 5 or 6 a.m., the crew quietly brews fresh coffee for officers and early yoga guests. If you stroll by with a friendly "good morning," chances are they'll offer you a steaming cup, completely free. It's peaceful, warm, and feels like a private cafe in the middle of the ocean. The funny part? Most people are still snoring in bed. The scary part? Once word spreads, that coffee disappears fast. So set an alarm. The ocean's best brew waits only for the early birds. Speaking of being early, the next trick can score you a table at the best restaurant on board, even without a reservation.
9. Dining waitlist wins. So the fancy onboard restaurant is fully booked, huh? Don't panic. Here's the secret every experienced cruiser knows. Show up right when they open. Hosts often deal with no-shows, late arrivals, or surprise cancellations, and they'll quietly slide you into an empty seat. Dress neatly, smile, and you'll look like you belong there anyway. The funny part? You might end up eating a 5-star meal next to guests who waited all week. The only fear? If you arrive late, those spots vanish in minutes, and you'll be stuck with buffet pizza again.
8. Cruise Channel Hidden Feed. Your cabin TV isn't just for weather updates or endless reruns. Hidden deep in the menu, there's often a secret channel showing live camera feeds from the bridge, the galley, or even the engine room. It's like a behind-the-scenes tour without leaving bed. You'll see crew prepping food, officers steering, and machinery humming below. Some cruisers say it's oddly addictive, like reality TV at sea. But be warned, once you find it, you'll keep checking at 2 a.m. to see if the captain's awake. It's the cruise world's quietest secret, hidden right on your screen. From cameras to clubs, this next secret will have you dancing under the stars for free.
7. Silent disco access. Imagine walking past a crowd dancing wildly in total silence. That's the silent disco. Normally, you need a headset to join, but here's the trick. Show up in the last 20 minutes. By then, staff usually hand out spare headsets to fill the dance floor. Suddenly, you're part of the party without paying a cent. It's hilarious watching everyone sing different songs in silence. You'll laugh till your sides hurt. Just one warning. If you wait too long, all the headsets vanish, and you'll be that awkward person dancing without music. Timing is everything on this one.
6. Specialty lunch sampling. Dinner at a fancy restaurant on board can cost as much as a small vacation, but here's a secret few passengers know. Visit at lunchtime. Specialty venues often host quiet sample tastings to attract dinner bookings. You can try mini portions of signature dishes for free or just a few dollars. It's like a VIP preview of the evening menu. The best part? Fewer crowds, better service, and no reservation needed. The scary part? Once you taste that lobster risotto, you might actually book dinner, and your wallet might not forgive you later. Delicious danger, but totally worth it. Feeling hungry for more? Let's move on to a few underrated cruise keepsakes and hidden spaces most people walk right past. 5. Free postcards and collectibles. You don't have to spend a dime to take home a piece of your cruise. Visit the ship's art gallery or boutique gift shop and ask about promotions. You'll often find free branded postcards, bookmarks, or even limited edition memorabilia. Some ships hand out art prints or collectible pins from past voyages. It's a small but fun souvenir that says, "Yes, I've been there." The funny part? People paid $10 for postcards you can get for free. But hurry, once word spreads, those freebies vanish faster than the dessert buffet on day one. Collect now, regret never. 4. Hidden sun decks. Tired of hunting for a free lounge chair near the pool? Here's a secret.
Most cruise ships have quiet deck zones, tucked away behind the funnel or above the spa. These hidden decks are calm, breezy, and almost always empty, perfect for reading, napping, or just pretending you own the whole ship. Ask a friendly crew member and they'll point you there with a smile. The funny part? While everyone else fights over chairs by the pool, you'll be sunbathing in peace. Just don't tell too many people. The quiet won't last if everyone finds out. But if you think that's special, the next one gets you into areas only the lucky few ever see.
3. Galley and Bridge Tour Waitlist. Missed your chance to sign up for the behind-the-scenes galley or bridge tour? Don't lose hope just yet. Many passengers cancel at the last minute, and staff often keep a quiet backup list for polite, interested guests. Simply ask guest services or the tour desk early in the day. If a spot opens, you'll be called like a VIP. Watching the chefs at work or the captain steering the ship is unforgettable, but be quick. Once a slot is gone, it's gone for good. Blink and you'll miss the coolest tour on the ocean.
Number 2. Loyalty Event Sneak-In. Not part of the cruise line's loyalty program? No problem. Sometimes a little charm goes a long way. Arrive early at a loyalty event, smile, and ask if there's extra space. Crew members love filling empty seats, especially if you look like you belong. You might end up sipping free champagne beside gold status guests without anyone noticing. Just play it cool. Act confident, not sneaky. The funny part? Half the people there probably did the same thing. The only risk, getting hooked on VIP perks you technically didn't earn, but hey, that's the cruise spirit. And that brings us to number 1, the secret that turns a simple cruise into a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
1. The celebration upgrade secret. Here's the grand finale, the secret that turns an ordinary cruise into a magical one. When you board, tell guest services you're celebrating something special, a honeymoon, anniversary, retirement, or even overcoming a tough year. They'll quietly note it in your profile, and sometimes surprises follow. A free bottle of champagne, chocolate-covered strawberries, or even a cabin upgrade. The best part? You don't need proof, just genuine cheer. But keep it believable. Saying it's your 5th honeymoon might raise eyebrows. Still, a little kindness and a smile can open doors, and maybe even a better view. So there you have it, 23 cruise secrets that most passengers have no idea about. Each one can save you money, unlock hidden perks, or make your trip feel truly first class. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, because your next cruise could be smarter, cheaper, and way more fun. Click any of these videos, and I'll see you in a moment.